Well, hello everyone. This is Shop Talk with Buck. I am Buck and welcome to my shop. I was just going to go over this week. I built a gun rack on my other channel. It's actually for my grandson. He's graduating senior, but I built him a little box, but this right here, he's been wanting one for a while. He's been wanting one long enough that he probably done forgot about it. So when I do get it to him, if Nana don't spill the beans, it'll be a surprise to him. That's how long it's been. But anyway, he's got a few guns. This here should fix him a place to keep everything. So that's what I did today. I'll leave a link in the description on the when I get this up. Well, I'll leave a link in the description to the video where I built this thing. No matter how I do it, I get it. I don't know. I can't do one less than 30 minutes. And I'm not bringing out the detail I'd like to do. So I've got a plateau I'm hitting right there. I need to get by it. I need to be able to convey in my videos. It's just, to me, it's something missing. I'll finally figure it out. If y'all see something that would help, just let me know in the comments. But I don't know. But if y'all, we've talked about a French cleat before. Sorry. But I made this right here out of the same stock, and this thing is going to be a French cleat. It'll go to the wall, and then this right here, this is how it hangs. And it's smooth on the back. It should hang good. So this was wide enough where I could do this, and I think it makes a nice touch. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and pre a couple holes right in the center, 16 inches apart. That way it's screwed into a stud. Depending on the guns and all, it'd be some weight. So it needs to be screwed into studs, if you know what I mean. Most definitely. All I lack is getting some felt and put felt right through here where it'll be easy on the guns. Other than that, we're ready to go. Like I say, outside and drilling the holes. But I don't know. We've had a good week. I hope y'all have had a good week. I ain't even decided my next project yet. We got a serving tray that we started. Well, if it ain't been a year, it's just a few days from being a year. But you know how life happens, and you know, between the broken legs and the surgeries and just everything, it got put on hold. Kind of. Anyway, we was cleaning up the resin area, and dang, we found it. We done forgot about it. So I guess we're going to resurrect that and see if we can't get it going. So, yeah, that's that. It'll probably be that serving tray. It's this 45 years, well, it's been 46 years now, so it can't be hard to go back and unrouter, you know. So we're just going to leave 45, and we just have a little story to go with it, if you know what I mean, because it's taking a year. We forgot about it. We forgot about it, and we was cleaning up and said, looky here. Well, okay. And we don't lack a whole lot. The routing's done. We got some resin to pour, and then I got the sides cut and everything. I just need to do box joints, put them together. It really won't take long to finish it. We just need to do it, you know. So, that's about all we got going right now. Graduating seniors. We had 2. We went to the graduation last night. Next week we're going to Florida we got another one that's graduating, and she's going to Auburn. She done figured out what she's got going on. She's a cum laude, you know, y'all know what I'm talking about. She's got all the ribbons and everything. She's pretty sharp. She worked hard at it too, so she's going to Auburn. She wants to be a marine biologist, I think, but it'd be a veterinarian type deal. She wants to work at zoos and take care of the animals and whatnot, I think. But she's stuck to it. I guess that's what she's going to do. Because most veterinarians in this area went to Auburn. Well, not most, a good portion. So I guess that's what she's going to do, and that's what we're going to be doing next week. So I can't think of anything else, and usually I can think of a dozen things. And sometimes I even write them down. But I forget where I wrote them down at. And then when that camera fires up, all them ideas, where did they go? Where did they go? So I'm still getting used to this camera. If I had somebody that was real good with videography, I could probably do much better, because it is not my strong suit. I guess y'all can tell. Well, anyway, I'm going to leave that with you. I'll leave the description in the link in the description to this video right here. So it'll be a pretty good one. If y'all want some details, you go to Solder Solutions with Buck, and I usually go into more detail. And I have a few montages with this. Y'all let me know what you think about the montages. I don't usually do that. I do it every now and again. But I had a few on this one because it is a lot of repetition. Once I do a mortise and tenon over here, I got 5 more sets, you know. So I just montage them together in just a little short segments, you know, and putting a finish on it. I went ahead and did that. But I try to go into detail on how I do the mortise and tenons, and there's a dozen different ways to do this stuff. It's just showing you the way I do it. Well, all right then. Hope y'all have a wonderful day and everything's going well. And summer's upon us. Sure is. But y'all be safe, and I will catch you on the next one.